This is a neat one. I haven't had one of these in a little while. Well, last one I had, they were about an eighth of the price. This is a 1967 Ford Bronco 4x4. They called it the U-100. It's a roadster, it's convertible. You can take the hard top off and go cruising with no top on it. But this one is one family owned. I have all the documentation since day one, all the registrations. I got a Marty report. Even has original license plates, California plates from 1967. It was bought at City Ford in Los Angeles, California. We bought this car from the son. The father had left it to him and he wanted to fix it up and just never got to it. So we picked it up and just kind of brought it up to speed, you know. And we did a couple of modifications to it. We put a 5-speed in it because it used to be 3 on the tree. And you couldn't even get on the freeway. It's got 411 gears in it and everything. So this is the way to do it, you know. It's a cool looking classic truck. These things are, some guys are asking $250,000 for them with Coyote motors and all that. But this one's kind of just an original with a few modifications. It's got disc brakes up front. It's got a new fuel tank. It's got new shocks, new exhaust. They went through the differentials. They're all cleaned up. It's the original 289 V8 in it, and it had a valve job and everything done to it. I think it's got under 100,000 original miles, actually. But a lot of little things we did. This is a reproduction steering wheel. It's nice condition. It's got some 17-inch vintage-looking wheels on it. They're steel wheels. But it's got that look, but it's still a modified little bit. So this way it handles a little bit better with the tires and everything. It's kind of cool, everything about it. This is the original poppy red color, white and black houndstooth interior. Just really cool to drive. Lots of new stuff done to it. Even the electric wipers, you know. So there's a big list, but we can go over it together if you have some more, questions about it. All right, let's take some more pictures for you. All right, check out this really cool classic 1967 Ford Bronco 4x4. These were super cool little 4-wheel drives. Take it up to the snow or out in the desert. Short wheelbase, so you didn't get stuck on too much. This is a one family owned California Ford Bronco, since new, the U-100 version. Those are the original license plates. I got the front and the rear. That's the original plate frame from City Ford in Los Angeles. So a lot of little new things on it though. We got new bumpers, 17-inch retro wheels, kind of give it that classic look, but a little better modern wheel. Refinish in poppy red. It's got new shocks, new springs, the new stabilizer bar, new bushings, just kind of everything to bring it back up to speed. Nicer new interior. A reproduction wheel. I have some of the original stuff in a box. It comes with it if you want it. But you know, if somebody wants to put it completely back to original, but that comes with it. All new upholstery, new carpeting, new headliner, all new rubber throughout, windshield rubber, window felts, you name it. Kind of did it all. It's got the 5-speed conversion like I mentioned earlier, with the dual lever differentials. Locking hubs. The 5-speed makes such a difference. The 3 on the tree. I still have the transmission for this too. It comes with it if you want it. But it makes it drivable. It's got 411s in it, so you can actually get on the freeway with it. Grill's in great shape. Body is excellent. No rust. It's a rust-free car underneath. Nothing underneath has been redone as far as the floors. It's all the original panels. We also have the back tire carrier. Some people like it, some people don't. We didn't put it back on, but it comes with it if you wanted to do that. Great looking little Ford though, with a good history. Here's the power plant in the 67 Bronco. There's the original old 289 in there. Even got a 2-barrel on it. A lot of new stuff under here, all freshened up. You know, like I said, it's got power disc brakes up front that were added. Motor runs fantastic. There's even a smog pump on it, which you don't need anymore, but we don't have it hooked up because you don't have to, but it's there, you know, it's kind of cool. We had the radiator gone through, but we'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Nice and quiet, real simple. Walk around the back, got a nice dual exhaust, all brand new. Nice little sound to it. Sounds good. It's a really clean old Bronco. Well, you want to come out and see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. My name's Rich. I'd be happy to talk to you about it. And if you get a chance, come on out and check it out. Thanks for watching.